What's up, YouTube guys and gals? This is your man from Happy Car Reviews, and today I have for you the brand new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk edition with a 6.2-liter Hemi V8 and the Supercharger that make 707 horsepower. And this one is loaded with all the bells and whistles. It's 0 miles, it's in the showroom ready for you. That's the reason I'm doing a voiceover, because you cannot get them out unless you are approved to get it. And this one comes with all the bells and whistles, Brembo brakes, leather, Blu-ray player inside. It comes with everything ready to rock and roll. And this one is in the showroom with our friends of Napleton's Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep and Ram of Arlington Heights, Illinois. If you are in the area, call them up, ask for Mr. Brandon, and enjoy the video. Thank you for watching, guys and gals. Please consider subscribing, liking the video, dropping a comment in the comment section down below. I really appreciate your help, and this video was brought to you thanks to our friends of Napletons, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep and Ram of Arlington Heights, Illinois. If you're in the area, please give them a call and ask for Mr. Brandon. Thank you for all the support on my channel, and make it a great day. Bye.